Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to upload files to Google Drive. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open your Google Drive application. Make sure you are logged into your Google account. Now the next step is to click on this little plus icon in the bottom right of the screen, and this menu will pop up. You can see a couple of different options like the folder upload and camera button. I'll first create a folder in which I'll upload my files. The files can be photos, videos, audio files, and other documents that are important to you. So I created the folder and I'll open it. Now let's start uploading. Click on the plus button one more time, then click. On this upload button, it's going to give us two different options if you want to. Upload something like a PDF document or an audio file. You want to tap on the second button, which is Browse. That's going to open our Files app if we are on our iPhone, or the File Manager if we are on Android. So just browse through your folders or files and find a document or file which you want to upload to Google Drive. But I'll simply go back and upload a photo or video. When I select the first option, it's going to open our photo gallery, and we can select the photos and videos which we want to upload and save to our Google Drive. When you select them, simply tap on Upload and wait a couple of seconds or minutes. The bigger your photos or videos are in resolution and file size, the longer you will have to wait for them to upload. So simply leave the app opened until your files upload, and that's it. That is how you can easily save your files to Google Drive, and it's a really convenient solution. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.